Welcome to apple picking here in Windsor, Toronto, Canada. Windsor, Canada. Marami ng there are a lot of people who are coming here to pick up their own apples. Oh. Okay. These are our families enjoying the apple picking here. There are a lot of people already who are coming and going out. We get a couple of musicians there. We got our general admission for apple picking. Akari. They're already. Ito. Ulan na. Ulan na. We're going. We're entering already.
It's raining cocktails. Come out of the sky. Can I see your wristband? Perfect.
Who stole the pie?
I want to go on that slide. Come on. Can you see? I want to slide. I'm holding it. You want to slide? Ow! Ow! That's in a hurt me.
The skeleton is going to pick the apples.
Okay, babe.
Tractor ride.
Okay. Malayaw nga.
There are the arrows where you're going to pick the apples. Street signs. Children are playing over there. And we got their apples there. Red sign means do not pick, and the green sign you can pick. Oh. The children are very happy. To the orchard and corn maze. Wait at the paglog. We are going to ride there in the tractor. Tractor ride. There, they're going to pick up the apples already. All aboard! All aboard! Please, we're about to wait for the tractor where we are going to ride. Sunflower plantation. Dapat binibidyo mo ito. Yung mga
Wait,
nahuli.
Papa, here's Papa, wait, he's coming.
You pick if it's red.
It's not red, don't pick it. Wait, you have to do it right.
No way.
Whoever makes it to the bucket. Really? Can we grab them?
Green pie mat.
Ma, what about this one? It already fell out. Like,
Ano man, ay,
Green pa siya.
what about this one? Like, do you want this?
You get the red one so that it's safe.
Ma, what about this? Oh wow, that's Snow White's apple.
Yeah. That's fitting in house.
oh, hello, ante, ay,
Guys, you want to go to back now? Picture mo si mami mo na nagpo-phone.
Oh, nag-hit nga Margaret. Hello.
English, mami.
We're going to pick apples here. Look, we got a lot. There are a lot of apples that fell. In the Philippines, you can pick that up and make it into apple
Apple pie.
pie. Oh, there. There's the red one there. Oh. Ay, sira.
Destroy ka.
Tribe. Look.
Ay, bakit ka?
See? We got a lot of apples here. Apple. Ay, nahulog. Sayang, nahulog. Maraming nahulog na ano. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting the bigger one.
But you can still make that as like
Ay,
Malayo na si na mama mo.
I know,
Oh,
so far away.
naubusan na. There are no more apples.
I know.
They pick it up already.
Oh.
It's rotting.
wala. Ay,
Why are they going so
oo.
Sayang ito, narating. Gusto mong picturean din kita?
Hmm?
Pipit ng apple. Ito ng cellphone ko. Hindi ko abot. Sana oh. Maliliit dito.
Tita, I think those are ambrosia.
This one? That's why it's small, right?
Tita pa yung nasa
Ako maabot digin na noon.
too far off.
It's too high.
Look at that one. Guys, we have to cut down the trees for the fire.
Picture kita sa maraming apple. Dapat doon.
Mm.
Ayun. Taas naman.
Hmm?
O dito.
O yan.
I-focus mo ito with honeybee. Focus mo ito.
Mande.
Yan.
Nakabidyo ka na? This is a sunflower with honey bee. With bee on it. This is the sunflower plantation. Hi.
Lapit.
See? Ganda, no?
Cause I've been struck by